Hello, my name is Frank and I created Myownnetworth, a financial app designed for the middle class. So if you live paycheck to paycheck, this app is for you. Thank you to everyone who's already signed up for Myownnetworth, and we're getting really close to start the Pay Your Bill program. Some people have asked, so what's the difference between Myownnetworth and say NerdWallet? Well, let's take a look. All right, let's go ahead and talk about company history. NerdWallet received $105 million in funding. Myownnetworth has no outside investors. For that reason, we do not have to give our investors a 3x or 5x or whatever they want in return. Instead, we have the option to share in the profits with our subscribers who sign up for the $149.99. And we'll talk more about that later. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and talk about pricing. NerdWallet is completely free, which means you are the product. Myownnetworth is $149.99 a year and includes the Pay Your Bill program. Okay, let's look at security. NerdWallet is free. There is nothing for free. Remember, if you are not paying for the product, then you are the product. Free apps will make a lot more money than $149.99 selling your data. At Myownnetworth, we tell everyone to create a new email and get silly, like bubblegum@blankblank.com. We don't need to know who you are. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the Pay Your Bill program. When I started this app, I said beyond educating the customers on their financial decisions, I'd like to help pay their bills as well. So after we pay off the initial debt, I'm going to need about 2,000 people to sign, so we're getting closer and closer. Once we do that, we're going to start sharing in the profits. And what we'll do is that you can send us your email and we can contact you if we select your name. If you don't want to participate, don't. It's whatever you want to do. But our goal is to help not only have you pay for an app, but see if we can help pay your bills to help make your money grow. Thank you. Myownnetworth is a great app for kids. When I saw a video that I linked actually below, that you can see how if a child starts with a little bit of money in the beginning of right when they're born, by the time they're 65, they're going to be a millionaire. I'm in my middle 60s now, and boy, did I wish I had something like that. So let's make it possible for our kids and grandkids, with the help of parents as well as the grandparents, to work on Myownnetworth together, teach them finance, and let them learn investing and have a secure financial future. In conclusion, both are great apps. NerdWallet provides tools for monitoring cash flow, credit scores, and offers access to investment accounts. Myownnetworth is designed for people who want to work on having enough money to retire. It's excellent for the youth to learn about money. You want to keep your money private and participate in the Pay Your Bill program. Both are great apps. Depending on what your goals are, decides what app is best for you. Myownnetworth is an educational tool only. Please consult with a financial advisor, family member, or someone that you trust to help make the best decisions for you.